Welcome to eVadikai. Thanks for watching this video. In this video, I am going to demonstrate another grocery client application for your convenience. I am going to take that daily files. This is one of our customer. Once you can open the application, you can able to see their banner, and the customer can able to search the products, which are the products available in the shop, and then they can able to see that products and special products and then best selling. So everything they can able to see in the dashboard without login. Once the customers, if you see that all the categories will be displayed here, that banners, the banner you can able to customize with the banner, you can able to upload the banners in the from your shop panel, and then the search will be, the customer can able to use this search option, and then they can search the product, which are the product they want, and then below that the categories, all the categories will be displayed in the view. So if you click that any specific category, it goes to that specific. If the category have the subcategory, will show the subcategories, and then if you click the subcategory, you can able to see the products, specific product for that particular subcategory and subcategory. Then you can able to see that all the things, and then once you can done that, you can go back the menu, and then offer products, which are the products you have that offer this thing. You can able to see that offer products here, and then best selling, and then if below, then you can able to there is a option for WhatsApp. You can able to, customer can able to reach you through WhatsApp if they have any clarification during the purchase, or any products they want to need a more clarification or something. They can able to clarify with you before they purchase or post purchase. You can able to use that for your support. This is a menu which you are currently showing for without login, and then login and about, contact, or your terms and condition, privacy policy. This all the contents you can able to manage by yourself using the shop panel without any anything from our interaction in that. Now I'm going to add one product in the cart. I'll show you how easily the customer can able to add that. Once plus, and then if proceed, the product will be added in the cart. It's a very simple this thing. You can able to see that there is no much complicated over here. It'll be, if you have the multiple quantities, you can able to like that. If you press here, and then if you go to the cart, you can able to see that added product in the cart. Then you can able to see that what is the total amount, and then what is the saved value, everything you can able to see. When you press checkout, now only it's asking for username and password. If I have the username password, I can able to log in. If I don't have the username password, I can able to register, and then I can able to make a purchase. The registration steps also pretty much very simple, straightforward. So the customer don't want to stress more in that. Really simple. We capturing the name, mobile number, those things only. In that area only we have given that reference code. If somebody have referred, you can able to use that referral code. Here if you see that I'm already added some products in the cart, it will be automatically added. So I'm going to search that pin code, which pin code I want to get delivered. Like that I'm putting, and then if that pin code is not in the list of the shopper as you said, it will show that what are the pin code, available pin codes. See, I can able to see that I can able to choose any one of the pin code, and then if I have any coupon code, I can able to enter the coupon code. If I don't have any coupon code, and then choose preferred delivery, this thing. If I am selected anything 13, if you have any slots, it will be display. If you don't have the slot, it will not display any slots. Then proceed to payment. When you go to the payment, it's asking for a delivery address, which are the delivery address you want to proceed. You can proceed, and then get payment. This also we have that payment, cash on delivery, and then GPay. You can able to add your GPay, and then you can able to give your QR code. The customer can make the payments offline, and then attach that reference or something. Also that we have the payment gateway option. We have the tab with Razorpay. You can get that payment directly to your banks with using Razorpay. That will be like charges will be depends upon that your number of volumes. The integrations, everything will be same. Within that we can able to do that. So this is pretty much simple app for the grocery and other industries they can able to use. If I menu, after login, the menu got changed. I just this is my order. The my order, I can able to see that what are the orders I have placed for that particular shop. I can able to see that. And then if I go view more view info, and then I can able to see that what is the detail about the products, what is the payment method, everything. I can share also. And then credit book, I am already explained that many videos. The credit book is nothing but it's look like a wallet. It's a unique features from eVaadikai. This is a credit book will be helpful for get credits, referral credit from the shop, as well as that they can able to prepayment, and then they can able to store in the wallet and then make a payment. Example, like if I'm frequently purchasing with your shop, why I want to use your my payment gateway or something like that, so I can able to use my credit and then I can able to make the purchase. It's faster for them. And then my referral, if every individual customer have their own referral code. If give the coupon, the referral code to my friend when my friend make a purchase from the same shop, I can get some benefits from the shop. So that is the features from referral. And then if I go back, and then feedback and inquiry, nothing but it's like if the customer can able to place, if a customer have some query or something like that, they can able to give your feedback and queries. The testimonial, nothing, your customer can able to give the testimonial. The testimonial will not publish directly to your website, that you can able to publish that, and publish you can able to manage from the shop panel. And then wish list is nothing but the customer can able to wish the products, and then keep the list. Whenever they want to the purchase, they can able to purchase. They can remove the wish from wish list, they can able to do that. That log out. So this is a very unique and crisp feature which we have for grocery segments. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any clarification, please talk to our executive. Have a great day.